recolor it. Oh wait, I didn't. Wow, the first time I entered an Able Sisters and not spent a whole bunch of money. But that's probably because I already bought. um, this this for me. I hope I assumed right. Wait, I think I went the wrong place. Excuse me being lost. I don't know where they are. Here. So they are in the house. Okay. I was right. Okay, I'm sorry. Me second guessing myself. Oh, wait, you said in your room. I'm lost. I forgot. I have a memory of a goldfish. Okay. Thank you. I only messed up like 3 times. Wait. Wait, this is the kitchen. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. Okay. I up the stairs? No. North of the Okay. Okay. North of the house, which means I gotta go up. Okay. I'm lost. I don't know where. Do you know where? Well, now I'm going. North room of house. Okay. Okay, guys. It's about the journey. You know, the quest to listen to some nice music. Yeah. Hi. This place is so nice. Did you see that? See what exactly? Hoping you did. I think I saw it. I don't judge. You don't know. I don't know. That guy on the wall. I don't know his name, but based off of like I'm assuming he's Eugene. That's what I'm assuming. Am I correct? Because you gotta use your context clues. I used my context clues. You have this thing on the floor with hearts and it says Eugene. Then I come into this book room and I look up and I see a koala. And I'm like, I wonder if that's Eugene. You know, he kind of looks like a Eugene. Not saying that's a diss, but that looks like a Eugene if I've ever seen one. Bro, you like who you like? Oh, you're gonna tell me your dodo code in the chat, and I'll make my way there. Oh my god! It's so sparkly! Oh, bro! There's the sparkles are getting in my eye. Really cozy. Oh, and the Eugene picture with the hearts. Is that a ring? Don't me. I see that. I see. It's. I want to say it's a shrine. I'm not sure if that's what you were going for, but it looks like a Eugene shrine. The colon 3 face, yes. Guys, let's stay friendly. Oh, there you are. Not the axe. That's crazy. Names, you better run. The chase of the century. The bro's catching up. Oh no. Bro, bro picked the flower. Bro's picking flowers. That's crazy. We're committing him on the act live. Bro literally said they ain't no thief. Bro stealing. You little. Oh, please. Not a thief. I saw you stealing flowers. Going in. I gotta see this. I gotta see what's happening. Oh my lord, what's going on here? Oh. Don't. Guys, let's not report anyone. I think we're all friends here. You're gonna. We got two people fighting. We got a person chat. We got a person crying. I don't know what's happening. Wait. I understand, Shelby. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna. And supper is crazy. Eating Takis. Terrence is just here. Let me out of here. We need popcorn right now for this. For real. I just love Soda doing stretches. Please. W drama. The deal with names. It's red. Okay. Bro is not. Yeah, bro is not free. Guys, we gotta get a conclusion. Or what? You gonna cry? That's crazy. K drama. Honestly, we're lucky that it's nowhere near close to closing time for Nook's Cranny, because they would totally kick us out. Bro got out! Bro's escaping! Bro might be free.